3, 2, 1.
Hi everyone, it's in 3, 2, 1 and today I will make a cropped cargo shirt. All you need is an oversized men's shirt with big pockets. First I'm gonna make the cuff smaller. I'm gonna move the button. I hold my finger where I want to put the button and then I use a pin to mark the spot. The next step is to cut the button and to sew it in the new place. I chose the length and I decided to cut somewhere between the 4th and the 5th button. So I draw a line to make an even cut and then I cut the fabric that I don't need. I decided to leave the pockets and see how they're gonna look like. And I didn't like the way they looked, they were too long and too massive. So I decided to fold them and to reduce the wideness of the shirt. The good thing is that the cuffs fit perfectly. I sewed the bottom of the pocket so it doesn't split. Now I can fold the pocket and sew the edge to the shirt. I push the needle through the edge of the pocket and from the side of the shirt I push the needle through 1 or 2 threads. And now it's time to reduce the wideness of the shirt. This is the spare length. I usually measure with my fingers, so it's like about 5 fingers. So I make a spot and then I need to make a line that will meet the armpit line. Also, I will have to reduce the sleeves a bit. Make the line smooth and avoid angles, especially when you meet the seam. Now I use the pins so that the 2 layers of fabric don't slide, and then I sew following the line. Now it's time to cut off the spare fabric and try the shirt on. It's so cute and I love it. You can wear it to accent the layers or just put it over a black bodysuit. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more. See you!